As we welcome you at MIT Vishwashanti Gurukul School, a place where learning comes alive with 8 schools all over Maharashtra and 5 universities educating over 75,000 students across.
At MIT Vishwashanti Gurukul, we begin our day with our sincere gratitude and prayer. We pray to the God, we pray for sustainability, we pray for nature, we pray for our children, we pray for universal prayer, we pray for Vishwashanti, that is our commitment which is we are known for.
Regular gathering provide a platform for students to learn, reflect and develop their public speaking skills. Assemblies create a sense of belongingness and a bond between teachers, students and the huge campus.
A calm mind through yoga leads to sharp focus, and sharp focus leads to great outcomes. Yoga is more than movement. It cultivates concentration, empowering students to achieve academic and personal excellence.
From big moments to tiny details, gross and fine motor skills to leadership confident, capable learners. At MIT VGS, our tiny tots experience various activities to enhance their fine and gross motor skills. Follow slide path from sound to word and word to stories. Studies at MIT build the foundation for lifelong literacy and learning.
The boy wanted to visit the river, but what was the problem?
He wanted to visit the river, but his parents did not allow him to visit the river.
Empowering young minds at MIT schools with technology-driven classrooms where innovation meets education.
MIT's library fosters the culture of independent thought, and it is rightly said that reading seeds our brain. Competitive exams are not just tests, they are stepping stones to our dreams. Every question you solve, every concept you master brings you closer to your success. Our students come out flying colors in Olympiad, PCL, Homi Baba and WWF exams. They have performed and brought glory to the school with the outstanding performance in abacus and other exams.
MIT's state-of-the-art labs and robotics facilities empower students to experiment, innovate real-world solutions. At MIT, education comes alive through hands-on learning in maths lab, science lab and computer labs. Technology and spirituality goes hand in hand. At MIT VGS, learning comes alive through various projects where ideas turn into action. Project let us explore, experiment and create, turning curiosity into knowledge. Art and craft in school are essential for fostering creativity, self-expression and overall development. It helps learning engaging, fun and well-rounded. Music and vocal can make learning more engaging, enjoyable and well-rounded.
We turn passion into purpose and talent into mastery. Extracurricular activities in school are total game changers. They make school enjoyable, engaging and prepare students for life beyond academics. At MIT, every student talent is identified, developed and directed towards success.
At MIT VGS, safety is our top priority. From classrooms to corridors, our school ensures a secure environment for learning and growth.
Play, explore, and excel. That's the MIT way.